In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll start from a simple Google search, open our project in Webflow, and then add an interactive 3D spline scene by pasting its URL. I'll talk you through each action and share a few helpful tips along the way so everything works smoothly the first time. Open your browser and search for Webflow. Click the official Webflow result to head to the site, then sign in to your account. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the project you want to work on and click View Site. This takes you into your project so you can work with the layout and content. Depending on your workspace, you may see either the live site or the building interface. The goal is simply to get into your project so you can add elements to a page. Inside the Webflow interface, open the Add Elements panel. You'll usually find this as a plus icon that reveals the full library of components you can place on the page. This panel is where you can search for and insert anything from basic text blocks to advanced embeds. In the search field within the Add panel, start typing Spline Scene. Spline is a popular tool for creating interactive 3D experiences, and Webflow includes a dedicated element that makes it easy to bring those scenes into your site without custom code. Typing the name helps you jump right to the correct component. Select Spline Scene from the results. When you click it, Webflow will add a spline placeholder to your canvas at the current insertion point. If you had a specific container selected, it will appear inside that container, keeping your layout organized. This is a good time to confirm you've placed it in the right section or wrapper, so styling remains consistent across breakpoints. With the spline scene selected, look to the settings area and find the URL field. Paste the share link for your spline scene into this field. You typically get that link directly from Spline's export or share options. Make sure the link you paste is the correct public or shareable URL so the scene can load for all visitors. After pasting, give the preview a moment to load. If it doesn't appear, double-check that the URL is complete and uses a secure HTTPS address. Keep in mind that complex 3D scenes can be heavier, so consider optimizing your Spline project for performance and testing on a few devices to confirm smooth interaction. That's it. You searched for Webflow, opened your project, added the spline scene element, and pasted your scene URL to bring 3D content into your site.